Question 6 is 5 marks. The question looks scary, but it's not. It's easy peasy. I'll read it and then you try it yourself and then we will solve it together. Now the question says a large circle with the center O contains 3 identical small circles. On this shape here, there is a large circle and there are 3 small circles in there. Each circle touches 2 other circles. Alright. Now they say A, O, and B are the centers, and this is not important for us. The circumference of the large circle is 160. And then they ask you to find the area of one small circle. So let's do the question. The circumference of the large circle here is 160. The circumference is pi times the diameter, or it's 2 pi r. It's up to you. I would love to use pi d instead of 2 pi r. Now, pi d is 160. So if we divide both sides by pi, we get the diameter of the big circle. So divide that by pi, it gives you the diameter of the big circle is going to be 50. It's just 160 divided by pi, so it's 50.929. Now what's this? This is this length, the diameter of the big circle. Now, if we divide this by 3, we got the diameter of each smaller circle, right? Now, divide this by 3, it gives you the diameter of the smaller circle. It's going to be 16.976. Now, if we divide the diameter of this by 2, and the diameter of this by 2, and the diameter of this by 2, it gives you the radius of each smaller circle. It's going to be 8.488. That's very good. So we got the radius of each one. It's 4.8. It's 8.4. Now to find the area is pi r squared. So it's going to be pi times 8.488 squared. Now plug that in your calculator. It gives you the area to be 226.353. The question though asks to write it to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures means you start on the left side and just take the first 3 numbers and round if you need. So 1, 2, 3. The 3 is less than 5, so we will not round up, so we'll just keep it. So the final answer is 226. This is 5 marks. How easy. It didn't scare me. That's how you should do the question. Don't get scared. Just relax. Now let's look at question 7.